Hello everyone, I'm David. If you're new here or returning, a massive thank you. Today I'll be doing a drawing of Mr. Bean as cartoon tutorial, so I'll be going through it from step by step, from head to toe. I'm excited to do this. I hope you're excited to watch it. We'll see you on the other side. So let's crack on. Thank you. So we'll start off with two circles for his eyes and put in his pupils. Put a backward C in for his cheek underneath his left eye, and then followed by his nose, which extends to his eyebrows and cheeks on his left hand side. Put his eyebrows, and then we'll do his eyebrow on the other side. Measure out the points where I want to put it. His mouth is just underneath his right cheek. And then goes underneath his nose. I'm now looking to see where his neck will go and putting 2 points for myself, and then extend one up to his cheek, which I did earlier. Same thing with his ears. I'm going to put in 2 points to give me an idea where they are. I try to place everything into proportion where everything else is, which is why you will see me measuring, like I did with his neck and also his ears. So moving on from his ears, let's put in some frown lines on his forehead. And now mark out where his cheek will be on the other side of his face. And we'll also do his ears as well while we're there. So you see me marking points out. Lines. Then we go on to his hair. So this bit here, did that a little bit too small, so I extended it. A slight mistake. And what we do, we'll colour that in now to cover up my mistake, shall we? Yeah, it's beginning to look a bit more like Mr. Bean now, isn't he? Right, going down to his jacket. Now his whole body, head, body and legs are in 3 proportions. So what I've done is I've just done into thirds, which is round about right for him.
His body and legs were probably a little bit smaller, but he's a cartoon character. Don't take the tie all the way down because we've got to get some trousers in there as well. To do his arms, just sort of keep an eye on where the proportions are with the rest of his body and face. You don't want it to be over too long an arm or too short. Keep an eye on where his elbow turns. Now his cartoon character fingers, I like to think of them as cheese puffs, if you know what I mean. They always seem to be drawn as those crisp cheese puffs. So if you think about that while you're drawing them, you can maybe you'll be able to do them a little bit better as well. This on this side, make sure his elbow is just that little bit further down because he is leaning over, same as his lapel on his jacket. So make sure this elbow that's a little bit lower than his other arm. And don't extend it too long either on the rest of his forearm. More cheese puffs. There you go. Moving on to his trousers. Not a straight line, make sure it's a slight bend on the top of his waist, and a belt. As you do his legs, don't forget to put a slight bend in his knee because they're not straight down. And the other knee, make sure you put the bend in his knee at the same position as the other knee. There you go. Now his shoes are really easy. They are a little triangle with a water drop or teardrop, whichever you want to call that. There you go. Now all that's left for me to do is to colour it, so I'll do that for you right now. And if you've gotten this far, I thank you for your participation in this, and thank you very much. And if you like it, please hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It will really help my my channel. And I thank you, and I hopefully see you in the next one.